Guntigor slum has been selected as the heat island for the simulation. Proper forecast monitoring and participation of all stakeholders have been ensured in the total process.
Government already evicted the slums area and slum dwellers already shifted their residence nearby places.
People here live in under the temperature between 38 to 39 degrees Celsius. The simulation goes with cash support and awareness campaign. Before the simulation, a number of consultations have been conducted. The simulation performed in an extended coordination process. A series of coordination meetings has been conducted with Bangladesh Meteorological Department, Dhaka South City Corporation, local ward commissioners and various international agencies. And the trigger have been activated by the committee after analyzing data provided.
চেক করেন তাহলে পরবর্তী কোনো অভিযোগ আপনি ক্লেম করতে পারবেন না দেখা যাচ্ছে ভ্যালু নট অ্যালাউড এইটা না দিলে অন্য আপনি
Bangladesh Red Crescent Society volunteers are working in the field to select beneficiaries. Vulnerable people have been selected as beneficiaries. Volunteers follows the selection criteria and the core principle of Red Cross movement. Rina Begum, she is a widow woman, our trained volunteer taking her interview and trying to select her.
অসুস্থ হয়েছিলাম, আমার বমি টুমি কাটটা তার অসুস্থ ছিলাম, 5-6 দিন আসছিলাম।
Community awareness campaign.
একটি বিশেষ জনসচেতনতামূলক বার্তা আপনাদের সকলে মনোযোগ আকর্ষণ করছি।
Bangladesh Red Crescent volunteers are distributing leaflets and aware people on impact of heat wave. Beneficiary received Taka 4,500 which will help alleviate the negative impact of the heat wave. Community engagement and accountability department has been involved to ensure compliances in this simulation process. We are really proud of these young volunteers of Bangladesh Red Crescent societies who have done this work from the front line. Let's be aware, save our earth and environment, build a livable world for the next generation.